Have you ever needed to take clinical photos of patients and have had to manually send these to your admin team to then attach into the patient's record one by one? Well, if you've got the Gentu app installed, you can easily take a live photo and upload it instantly into the patient's clinical file. Within the Gentu app, press to select the patient appointment. Then press on the teal button found in the lower right. A menu will appear, select Take Photo. This will now open up your device's camera where you can instantly take a photo and save it directly to the patient's file without the photo being saved locally on your device. Once the photo is taken, press on the Done button. Here you can rename, date, and/or categorize accordingly. Otherwise, press on Upload to save. Alternatively, if you have taken a photo previously on your device, these can also be uploaded directly to the patient's file. Click on the photo icon found to the left to access your photo library. Then select and choose the photos you would like to upload. Click on Done. And then this is where you can once again rename, date, or categorize your photos. Then upload to Gentu. A new feature was recently introduced where you can now smart scan documents using the Gentu app and saving it directly into the patient's clinical history. Within the Gentu app, select the patient appointment, press the teal button found in the lower right, then Scan Document. This will now open up your device's camera. Aim your device on the document you would like to scan. You do not need to press on the screen to focus. Simply hold your device steady, and the Smart Scan function will instantly focus and highlight the document with a blue overlay. And once it focuses, it then captures the document. If you need to retake the scan, simply hold or click on the Retake button. To add additional pages, click on the Photo button and repeat the above steps. Or hold the phone still and it will automatically scan. Once completed, click Save. Then you can rename, date, and categorize your document accordingly. And then press Upload in the top right.